Hi, good morning. My name is Stephen Crow. This is FTH 202-51899. This is the revolver course with the Taurus 856 38 special 2-inch barrel. This is a disassembly to include the grip, the side plate, and the internals. And I've actually already made this video a couple of times this morning, but I'm having video errors with my camera on my computer. The microphone's not working for some reason. The first time I took this apart this morning, the handspring has shot off. So I've got to find a replacement for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up here and then double check to see that you can see everything. Looks like you can there. So first we'll do the safety just to show that all the cylinders are empty. I've got that roll pin out already. Make sure you can see my hands. Yep. So pull the grip off. Put that with the roll pin. Start removing the springs for the side plate now that they are exposed. Keep all those together over here. And be careful pulling this one out because of the detent. And it all came out together. There we go. Sometimes it just needs a little extra persuasion to get that off. So the first thing we're going to do here is put, well, I can remove that hand right now since that spring's not there. Start going over some of the main components. So the trigger, that was the hand, the hammer, the sear, the transfer bar is back there, the firing pin assembly up in here in front of the hammer, trigger spring, and the mainspring, and then the cylinder stop right there. So I'll pull those out each one at a time. So throw the cylinder back in so that the cylinder stop works and I can start manipulating everything. Pull back the hammer and get there we go. Oop. Get that hole exposed. I've got a flat paper clip here to shove through. Lock it in the middle there. Manipulate the spring in the hammer. Drop out the spring. We're going to do that again with this trigger spring. Pull it all the way back till it exposes that hole. And then once it's got tension, you can release the pressure there. And that comes out as a whole assembly. Now you can line this up and pull the hammer assembly out. Trigger. Transfer bar is free now. Now what we can do here is go ahead and drop that cylinder. I do that forward so I don't lose that spring. There we go. Cylinder and spring. Go ahead and drop that cylinder stop now. Just push it back, down. That's out. Remove the cylinder release. A little bit more. Take the tension off this bolt there. Careful because of the spring. Keep all that together. And then the last thing we've got here is the firing pin. So just a little bit of tension on that pin will drop the roll pin out. Oh, there it went right there. And then this has a spring as well. So just be careful pulling that out. So that's all together. And we've got a stripped 856 frame.